Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the contact list, finding of course the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and then tap on this icon in the middle. And as you can see, your device will give you the opportunity to either take a photo and then it will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Of course, you have to decide where you want to complete this action. So let me pick the gallery, just once or always, whatever. So we've been transferred to our photos, so we have to find one and tap on it. And as you can see, right here we can change the position of the photo, and we can also zoom it in or out. We can change the size of this highlighted square also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. If you want to, you can also rotate the picture, up to you. And then simply tap on done if you're ready. As you can see, our photo has been applied right here. So if you like it, if you want to leave it, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. It's important because otherwise the photo will not appear on the contact. This is how our contact looks like after applying the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.